I can't even get a good paint stripper anymore. No methylene chloride left. That's ridiculous. Anyway, don't get me started on what our government does. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna do one of these, and then whoever wants to jump in can kind of jump in. How many colors should we do, Rick? 5?
Sure.
Hey, I got an answer. I'm not gonna mix this at all. We'll just see what happens. Do a slight mix. You can like put a small stick in there and just kind of do like a figure 8. Doing a sample board before you do your countertop. Either write down what order you did it or and how much. And did you do 3 different pour layers in there, or 2 or 4? Like, oh, that turned out really nice. I want to do that stuff. Let's play with this a little more just to see. We know we're gonna leave it like that. Kind of cool. Up to an hour. Depends on how long it's been in the mix bucket. You know, all kinds of stuff. Except the patty cake method, we go full Monty. Almost always use alcohol on the artwork because it just makes it go organic.
Wow.
That's kind of cool. It's got the Milky Way going through there. Yeah. That's it. We can go over questions. I think I covered everything. Yeah, no, you can cut right on it.